Hello everyone, welcome to Code Arena, and today we are gonna make this huge supermarket with HTML and CSS. So basically this supermarket is for your practice and you will get more knowledge about HTML and CSS. So let's get started. So first we'll open VS Code, and I have made two files, index.html and styles.css. So first I will make a boilerplate with HTML, and after that we will give the title to supermarket, and secondly we will link to styles.css, and now we will go live. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we will make a div of heading, and inside this div we will write supermarket, and then we will put a emoji. After this thing we will make one more div, name it box 1, and inside this box 1 we will give one more name to same designs. So basically this same designs will help us to write the code only one time, and the design will be applied in all the boxes. Okay, and now in this div, in this box 1, we will make an h1 tag, and inside it we will give a class of same things. So my first product of the supermarket would be chocolate, and after h1 tag we will make one more div and we will name it price. So obviously if we are selling a chocolate, then there must be a price. Let's say $10. Okay, and after this prize money we will make one button, and we will give this button a class of same buttons. So I have written here same buttons. Basically this same buttons will help us to design all the buttons if I write code only one time. So I will write here buy. So let's save this and see. So basically we are having a supermarket heading, we will increase the font size, we are having this chocolate thing, and we are having the prize money, and after that we are having a basic button. We will style all of these and I will get the result as I've shown it before. First we will target the body, and I will write the background color to linear gradient. First I will set the color light blue, and after that I will go with light pink, and after that I will go with light blue again, and after that I will write here to left bottom. So basically all the designs would be coming from the left bottom. Okay, see, we are having like this, but this is the separation. So how to remove it? So first I will write here min height, means minimum height would be 100 VH. Okay, we are perfectly done. Okay guys, I think that this same designs would be changed to same boxes, so it will be more easy for us to understand. So after body tag we will target the heading, and let's set the font size to 50 pixels. Font weight would be bold, and after that we will do text align in center. Okay, so let's see the result. Okay, we are having this. Now we will change the font family. So font family would be, let's say this one, but I will remove these all things. Let's save this and see the result. Okay, we are having a perfect font. If you want to change the font, then you can go to Google Fonts and you can find your own font. Okay, so we are done with the heading. Now we will target the same boxes. Okay, so first we will set the background color to, let's say, light gray. Let's save this. Okay, the chocolate part is fully covered with light gray, and after that we will set the padding to 15 pixels. Let's save this. Okay, I think it's perfect. Now we will do border radius, and let's say 15 pixels, and after that we will do once again text align would be in center, and let's do color. For I think we should do saddle brown, or we should take some color. Let's take this one. Let's save this. Okay, I think it's a perfect color. Now it's turn for the cursor, pointer, the box shadow. So basically this box shadow will help the box to be more attractive. Okay, so let's do 0 and 6 pixels and then 10 pixels. So basically the blur, the all blur will come at this point. 10 pixels would be the blur, and I think we should select the white color, or let's select the white smoke color. Let's save this. Let's see. Okay, we are having this perfect look. Okay, so now we will do same boxes hover. Okay, so when I will click to the box, then the result would be like the background color. First I will write light gray color, and first I will find a proper color for that. I think this one would match. Let's save this, and after that I will do box shadow. When I will click to the box, then the shadow would come out. So let's say 1 px, and 50 px would be the blur. Why I'm doing this? Because I want more attraction. So I will do white smoke again, so it will look more attractive. Let's save this. See, I think we should change the color. I have one color, 211, and the same. Let's save this, and I think this would work. Okay, perfect. Now the main thing arrives, which is the text in it. So let's see what is the name of this text. So it is same things. Okay, so we will just target the same things, and after that we will set the font size to, let's say, 35 pixels, and font weight would be, let's say, bold. Let's save this and see the result. Okay, I think it's good. Now we will go with the font family, which is the main thing, and I have one font family which is the impact. Okay, now it's time to do with the text shadow. Okay, so basically the x-axis would be 5 pixels, the y-axis would be also 5 pixels, and the blur will be 2 pixels. Okay, now there is one condition, which is RGBA. This is the red, green, blue alpha. So first I will rub this all, and I will just write this basic 0, 0, 0, and I want the transparency to be 0.2. Okay, so let's save this and see the result. Okay, this is looking so nice. These things are completed. Now the main thing, which is the button, which is to style the buttons. So I will just write same buttons, and inside it I will first let's see the thing. So we are having the basic button, so let's design it. First I will set the font size to, let's say, 20 pixels. Let's save this. Okay, I think we should decrease some size. 18 pixels would work. Okay, perfect. Now we will go with the font weight. Okay, and let's say 700. Let's try this. Okay, I think it's good. Now we will set the cursor pointer, and after that we will go with the padding. Let's say 10 pixels padding. Let's see the result. Okay, now the border radius arrives. Let's say 5 pixels. This is the average one. Okay, I think it's good. Now the background color arrives. So let's go with light green color, and let's see. I think we should go with some basic color, so let's say this one. Okay, we are done. Now we need to set the hover effect for the button tool. Same buttons, hover. So first we will set the background color to light green according to my choice. Now we will go for the box shadow, so it will look more attractive. So I have taken here 0, 1 and 2 pixels black. You can take according to you if you like it. Let's see. Okay, I think it's looking good. Okay, then we are perfectly done, but I think that this price would have some designs. Okay, so let's point the price. We will set the font size to 20 pixels. You can set according to your choice. And now we will set the font family. Let's say this one. Okay guys, we are done with our box. So first, in this body we will go with the position relative. So basically this body will be the parent of all the boxes we are going to target them. So first I will target the box 1. Let's see. So first I will set the position absolute. Now we will go with let's see. Okay, we will go with the top, and let's say 70 pixels or 80 pixels. Let's try. Okay, it's perfect. Now from the left side we will do 200 pixels, so it will be an average one. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are ready with our box 1. Now we will just copy this whole div, and we will paste it here. Now we will just change the number box 1 to box 2, and let's say the next product would be cheese. Now the price would be changed. Let's go for $5. Okay, and we are done. Now we will just go to our styles.css and we will target the box 2 for position absolute. Okay, and let's go for the top. We will go for 80 pixels because we want in align, and after that we will go with the left function, and let's go for 400 pixels. Let's try this and save this. Okay, I think we should increase some size. Let's go for 475 pixels. Okay, I think now it's looking good. Now we will go to our HTML again. We will copy this and we will paste it again, and we will just change the box number, box 3, and let's change the item. We will name it for, let's say, eggs. Let's search. Okay, so let's set the prize money for $7. Let's save this, and first we will do the copy and paste thing in HTML, so it will be good, and then we will go with the box 4, and let's go with ice cream. Okay, we will paste it again, and let's go with the box 5. Let's go with, let's say, cookies. Okay, now let's set the price to $10 again, and now the last box, which is the box 6, the item would be, let's say, popcorn. Okay, now we will change the price to, let's say, $12. Okay, we are done with our HTML. Now we will go to CSS and we will go with box 3, would be position absolute, and from the top we will get again 80 pixels, and then from the left side let's go with 675 pixels. Let's try this. Okay, this is the first, second and third. Okay, I think we should decrease some size. Let's go with 450 pixels. Okay, now it's perfect. Now we will go for the box 4. Would be first we will do position absolute, and from the top have 300 pixels. Okay, now from the left side we will go with 400 or 200 pixels would be more better. Okay, now it's in the line. Now we will target the box 5, and first we will do position absolute, and we will go with the top, let's say 300 pixels, and from the left side let's say 450 pixels. Save this. Okay, this is done. This is perfectly done. Now we will just target the last box, which is the box 6, and we can have position absolute, and we will go with the top, and let's do 300 pixels. From the left side we can have 675 pixels because we have already done above. Okay, then we are perfectly done with our supermarket store, but I think that we can decrease the code by doing one thing. See, this position absolute is coming again and again. So what if we shift this position absolute to the same boxes? So it will help us to decrease the code. First I will select the position absolute and I will copy this, and then I will remove all the position absolute, and then I will paste it in the same boxes so we can have the short code, and obviously short code is the better code. Okay, we are perfectly done with our supermarket. If you like it, share it with your friends, and thanks for watching.